Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Welcome if you're new.
Yes, to the new people.
To the real new people, not these fake bots that we've been getting.
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully you are actually watching the video. So today we are going up to Ballyedmonduff Wedge Tomb. It's something else we found on Atlas Obscura.
Yeah, and we tried to go there a few weeks ago, but there's only one way to get to it, and it's through Glencullen Adventure Park, and Glencullen Adventure Park was closed.
Due to COVID. Yeah, we're going to try again today.
Hopefully it's open.
It's a wedge tomb. Obviously back from like the
Bronze
Stone
Age or something,
the Bronze Age. But yeah.
Time to go.
Let's get cracks. So in order for us to get to the Wedge Tomb, we needed to go through Glencullen Adventure Park.
The big biking centre.
Yeah, so they've basically made like a bike track out of the mountains and stuff. So
pretty cool though.
It is really cool, like looking at it, and there's so many, you know, people on their bikes and going off and going on adventures, but there's a walkway around like the Dublin Mountains Way that's carved out as well. And at the moment it's the only way to get to the Wedge Tomb. They closed off the other entrance up at the Pitch and Putt, which is where we actually tried to go the last time. So yeah, we're on our way. It's starting to rain.
Which is not
good. So hopefully it doesn't get too heavy or we're turning back. Yeah, we'll keep going.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
So we've been standing in the same spot for like 10 minutes looking at the maps going like, where is it? Because we're in the woods and the woods are like huge. Then we turned around and we saw it. So we didn't need
No,
maps.
we didn't. Leah looked on the map, she was like, it's saying go back out on the road, and I was like, look, just zoom out and we see what direction it's pointing, because it was literally right beside us. So we're going north. I was like, right, I get my compass and my phone out. I was like, north, right, it's this way. I was like, oh, there it is.
I can see it now, so we're just walking over the bridge.
We just got here and there's like, the tomb is there, but there's a really cool like little stick hook thing. Leah, you going home?
So hard to see from the moment we arrived.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib.
Please don't break that, whatever you do. Look like it took so long to put together.
It's so cool. You can say it in the rain.
I'm covered by the trees, dummy.
So we're just at the tomb here. It's quite beautiful actually, and it's mad that like it's very unknown. Like
We didn't know about it, so it is unknown.
So yeah, not very many people know about it, but it's so beautiful. It's kind of just the way it's surrounded and the light shines down on it. It's pretty cool. As Lee was saying before, that it's from the Bronze Age, so like it dates back to 1700 BC.
Yeah, correct.
And it's obviously where they buried their kings and wherever. And
the hierarchy, essentially.
Yeah, pretty much. But it's really beautiful. Take a look.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
the sheeps. Oh, they're gone. Bye.
Easy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover.
That was a fun day.
It was.
I enjoyed that.
Yeah. Again, like, it just shows that there's so much to do around us that we never knew of before, and it's beautiful. Like, you know, definitely would encourage people if you're from the area to go see it. And it's very close to Johnny Fox's, which is the highest pub in Ireland. So it's definitely, you can make a day out of it, go for lunch or dinner in Johnny Fox's. And usually there's like live music and Irish dancing and stuff, very popular with tourists. So definitely worth checking out.
Absolutely. Like, again, we found all of this on Atlas Obscura. Not the Johnny Fox's bit, we already knew that, but it was the Wedge Tomb itself. So we're going to leave a link to Atlas Obscura in the description. Go check it out. Even check your own area out and see what's around you, because you'll probably be surprised with what you find.
Yeah, you just put in, use my location, and it'll tell you what's within like 10 kilometres or so of you. And yeah, you'd be surprised.
With that being said, as always, like, subscribe, ding-a-ling-a-ling the notification bell.
Noties! Make sure you have those noties on, because you'll be notified when the next video's out.
Peace.
Bye.